Hi, my name is Jeff Palla, president of Mr. Handyman, and today we're here at the Byer family home with Day of Service.
National Day is a chance for us to give back to the veterans. There's a lot of veterans in the local community that really need some help, and we're in a position that we can give back to a local veteran. The VFW has been really great with providing us some veterans that need some service, and we come in and do as much as we can in a day for the veteran.
Hi, I'm Ronald Byer. I was in the military, and I'm going to tell you, Mr. Handyman and them are doing the most amazing thing for us today. They are basically redoing our house, and I just cannot thank them enough for all the work that they are doing and will be doing today. This is the greatest thing I think that's happened to us, and I can't tell you how many years.
Hi, I'm Bernie Carter. I am the Post Commander for Post 1503 located here in Dale City, Virginia. We've been associated, and this is our 13th season we've been associated with Mr. Handyman Project, and we are so appreciative of their efforts. With a needy family like the Byers, Ronnie and Carol Byers. Ronnie served over 20 years in the United States military, so I thought it is our pleasure to help him in this hour of need. As you can see, Mr. Handyman has plenty of trucks out here today, and we're very fortunate to have their whole crew. I'd also like to thank all the contributing business partners with Mr. Handyman Services this year. The Jug Luggers of Gainesville, Virginia, Rulyscapes Incorporated, Shaw Services Air Conditioning and Heating, Patriots Potty Limited, DJ McNeely, Mosquito Joe of Northern Prince William County, Five Star Painting of Manassas, D Hill Financial, Spectrum Homes Incorporated, ABC Glass and Mirror, and Optimal Dinner Center. I want to give you my wholehearted express from myself and the members and auxiliary of Post 1503 located here in Dale City, Virginia.
Just from what I've seen so far, and was speaking with Joe and everything, that I can't say enough. I mean, it's just, I can't see where there's words that you can put into it to actually describe how nice these people are.